In this video, we will show you how to find the computer model number in Windows 10. The quickest way to check your computer model name and number is the System Information app. Check the System Model row in the right pane to find your computer model name. The next method is using the DirectX Diagnostic tool. The DirectX Diagnostic tool provides information about the DirectX components and drivers installed on your computer. You can use this tool to get information such as the system model, BIOS version, processor, memory, page file, and more. The third method involves using command line tools such as Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Terminal. You will see the model name displayed on the console screen. Another command can be used in Windows PowerShell to view the model name. If you want to check your computer's serial number, execute the following command. Many manufacturers today offer an assistant app that allows you to check your computer model name and number. For example, if you are using an HP laptop, you can download the Assistant app. This is for an Acer laptop. The next way, you can use in third-party apps such as Hardware Info or CPU-Z to get the information. Finally, you can find the model number by entering the BIOS. You can enter the BIOS either from the boot menu or from the Windows directly. If you want to access the BIOS when starting the computer, here's a list of common BIOS keys by brand. Depending on the age of your model, the key may be different. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.